The 2-year wait is finally over as Samsung has announced their latest and most advanced Note phablet in the Indian market. Galaxy Note 8 is Samsung's first dual-lens camera smartphone and is also the biggest Note device ever came out from Samsung's factory. Samsung Galaxy Note 8 is priced at Rs 67,900 and it comes with an improved S Pen that is now water and dust resistant. Samsung Galaxy Note 8 will be available in India starting September 21, 2017. However, you can pre-book the smartphone by today itself. Galaxy Note 8 users will get a double data offer on Jio, under which they can get up to 448 GB of extra 4G data over 8 months. This smartphone is powered by Exynos octa-core processor and has 6 GB of RAM to take care of multitasking. I am Rohit Arora and this is the first impressions video of Samsung Galaxy Note 8. So let's get started. So guys, here we have the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 phablet. Let me tell you that this is the biggest Note device ever produced by Samsung because this comes with a massive 6.3-inch Quad HD Plus Super AMOLED screen. The resolution is at 2960 by 1440 and the pixel density is 521 ppi, which makes pictures, videos, text, icon and everything else quite crisp and sharp. The colors are also quite vivid because this is an AMOLED panel that we have seen previously with Samsung Galaxy and Note devices. The most recent ones, the Samsung Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus. Now these are some camera samples that you can definitely have a look. However, I'll show you the camera in action in a while. As you can see, we have lots of detailing and the colors also look quite vivid. The default resolution is set to Full HD Plus and we have very little curves on either side of the display because this comes with a flatter screen that will help you to write and create more with the help of S Pen. We have 3 touch capacitive buttons at the bottom. Smartphone is big, however it is still manageable and you can use it with one hand. Let me just show you a comparison. So we have OnePlus 5 side by side with Samsung Galaxy Note 8 and you can see the size difference. The smartphone is quite premium and weighs 195 grams. On the rear side we have the dual lens camera setup and a fingerprint scanner. However, now you have a flashlight in the middle of both, so this will make it a little bit easy to use to unlock the handset without troubling the camera lens. On the right side we have the power button and on the left side we have the Bixby button. Up top we have the hybrid SIM card tray and here we have 3.5mm headphone jack, speaker unit and the Type-C port. Talking about the camera of the smartphone, we have a 12 megapixel plus 12 megapixel dual lens camera setup and now this comes with a dual OIS, which is optical image stabilization, making it the first smartphone that comes with dual OIS. So both the cameras at the rear side support optical image stabilization to prevent blurry and shaky images. Now here are some camera samples. As you can see, the camera can create some really nice bokeh effect and the highlight feature is the live focus, so you can adjust the background blur and here is the slider, so you can adjust the aperture value to control the background blur in the images that you will capture. Now the camera clicks 2 pictures at the same time. Now this is the normal picture as you can see, and if I just click on the live focus, then you will get the bokeh image. So the camera captures, every time the camera captures 2 images when you click an image, you get the normal image and you get the background blur bokeh image. So this has one wide angle lens which has an aperture of f1.7 and the other is a telephoto lens which comes with an aperture of f2.4. Both has optical image stabilization and you get 2x optical zoom and up to 10x digital zoom. This makes this camera really amazing and we will explore all the functionalities of this camera in the coming week when we will review the handset. As of now, you can see the camera sample that I have just taken from the live focus feature of Samsung Galaxy Note 8. You can see that the OnePlus 5 is in focus and the background has been blurred. Now this is the normal picture and this is the live bokeh picture. As I told you that the camera captures 2 pictures at the same time. So you will have both the perception, both the images at the same time. This is pretty amazing because this is by far the best camera produced by Samsung and more cameras with dual lens and dual OIS will follow in the coming years from Samsung. You will also get all these stickers and modes and filters that we have seen with the Samsung Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus. Here we have all the camera settings. You can record videos in 4K. Yeah, you can record videos in QHD format, and you also get HDR and a lots of settings with this dual lens optical image stabilized camera that comes with the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Now, coming on to the front of the smartphone, we have an 8 megapixel autofocus camera that comes with an aperture value of f1.7. Now let me just show you the highlight feature of the smartphone, which is the stylus, the S Pen. And now Samsung says that this has been improved to a greater extent. Now the intelligent S Pen unlocks entirely new ways to write, draw and interact with the phone and communicate with friends. Samsung says that the new S Pen has a finer tip and improved pressure sensitivity. Let me tell you that yes, it is quite right, because the S Pen is really responsive and you can write, draw and create graphic content on this big 6.3-inch screen. Now this S Pen has features that enable users to express themselves in a ways no other stylus or smartphone ever has. Because this now supports live messages on Galaxy Note 8 that will allow you to tell expressive stories, and you can now share animated text or drawing across platforms that support GIFs. It will come out as a whole new way to communicate with the S Pen that will add lively and emotional connections that brings your messages to life. Now you can also embed pictures in the notes that you edit. Let me just show you how you can do it. So now here we have a picture in the note that I was just editing, and you can also write and draw and edit the pictures that you have in the note. So if you are an artist and love to create graphic content, then this S Pen and the Galaxy Note 8 as a whole package will come as a great tool to you. Now the other highlight feature of the S Pen is that now it also works even when the screen is switched off. Yes, as you can see, the screen is off. However, I can write and draw and create graphic content on this screen. And the best part is that the notes now go up to 100 pages as a limit. So you can draw and create text even when the screen of this Galaxy Note 8 is switched off. Coming on to the hardware part, we have 6GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. Let me tell you that we don't have a dedicated microSD card slot, and all you get is a hybrid microSD card slot. So you will have to compromise on connectivity or either storage. The smartphone storage can be expanded by up to 256GB with the help of microSD card slot. As far as the battery is concerned, which we believe will not explode like the Galaxy Note 7, Galaxy Note 8 has a 3300 mAh battery unit that also supports wireless charging. Now the global smartphone Galaxy Note 8 runs on the Snapdragon 835 processor, and this comes with an Exynos 64-bit octa-core processor that is manufactured on 10nm processor. The smartphone supports all sorts of connectivity features and is the most advanced Galaxy Note device ever came out from Samsung factory. Let me tell you what you think about this smartphone and the video. The Samsung Galaxy Note 8 has been priced at Rs 67,900 and it will be available by September 21. You just saw the first impressions of Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Do subscribe Gizbot YouTube channel for the latest videos in the world of technology. This is Rohit Arora signing off. Have a good day.